So today we will set the Maton light on a 2023 Toyota Crown. So what we're gonna do is first start up the car. And what we're going to use is these pads here. So this one is down, up, left, right, and enter. Okay? So if you look at it through here, so we're gonna look at this screen. You see this button say back. So over here is the back button. So anyway, back, top, down, left, right, enter. So right now I'm gonna push back, and now you're gonna push left or right, doesn't matter. When you push left or right, you can see that chain go to 3, 1, 2, or whatever. Just keep pushing till you see number 1 where setting is. Push enter. Go down. Push enter. Or hold it down, whatever. And go down. Push enter. Push up. Push enter. And when it say reset complete, push back, back. And now once you get to this area, you can push left or right, whatever you want, to the screen you want it. We're gonna leave on part number. Let's do 2. And that's it.